In this exercise tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do calf or heel raises on a step with, in this case, a bag. So what's the point of using a bag? Why don't we just use dumbbells? So firstly, the bag means that I can have both hands on a wall or fixed object if I needed to. So if I was training a client and they really weren't sure about this is the first time they did it, or alternatively, they wanted to increase it with weight but didn't want to have only one hand available for balance, or alternatively me to give them two dumbbells, what I could do is just use a bag like this, fill it up with books or weight, and then they could do the exercise but have that security and less risk of anything going wrong by using both hands on a wall or fixed object when they do the exercise. Also as well, think about busy people on the go. That's a lot of people watching this video, I'm sure. We generally always have a bag available, especially if we're traveling, and we can always fill that bag up with weight, but what we don't want to travel with is dumbbells and things like that. So for people that are on the go all the time, that need to do an exercise that's harder than just traditional calf raises and want to improve it and progress it, this is a fantastic option. So enough of me rambling, let's get on with the exercise. So all you do is you'd pop the bag on, and then from here, I've got a wall here that I'm using as my fixed object. I'm going to put both feet on the step, and you'll notice the only part of my foot that is on this step is my forefoot and my toes. My midfoot and my heel is off the step. And now what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm completely in line. So that means I'm not leaning too far forwards or back. And I'm going to raise my heels up, squeezing for 2 seconds before slowly dropping down and as far as I can without my toes coming up off the step. Once I'm in that position, I'm then going to contract, raising my heels back up and slowly coming back down to that start position. That is how to do bag assisted heel raises or calf raises on a step.